Hi, this is J2 here. On this video, I'll be building a cheap and simple computers. Before building computers, the first thing I need was the motherboard. So here I got the MSI motherboards, and it is a FM2 A75MA E35 motherboards. And on the back, it'll give me the specification what I need to actually build the computers. Okay, so the first thing on the specification list was actually the processor, and it have to be an AMD, which it is a A10, AB, A6, or A4 processor that fit the FM2 socket. So here I got the AMD A4 5300 dual core processor at 3.4 GHz, and this will fit the motherboards. The next thing on the list was memory, and what I need is the DDR3 SDRAM, which it gotta be either 1066 Hz, 1333 Hz, 1600 Hz, or 1866 Hz. So here I got the 4GB PC3 12800 at 1600 Hz. The next thing on the list are the video, the audio, and the local area network, which I won't be needing those because according to the I/O overview, the motherboard already came with the integrated graphic card, integrated sound card, and integrated Ethernet card. The next thing on the list is the peripheral interface, which I will need internal device which will be able to connect through the SATA 6GB per second port, the USB 2.0 port, or the USB 3.0 port. So here I got the 1TB hard drive at 72 RPM, 64 cache hit, and 24 mega buffer. And last of all, I got a DVD burner.